NXplorers is a novel program created by Shell in efforts to prepare the coming generations for upcoming issues around the stress nexus in the foreseeable future. It has been predicted that the global population will reach 9 billion by the year 2050, which causes a ripple effect in the scarcity and availability of three main needs for human beings to live comfortably in today's world, which are the food, water, and energy nexus. Hence, in this course, you will be introduced to understand the complexity of the system and induce solutions with next thinking and systems and design thinking incorporated. The complete course consists of 6 to 12 tools which will assist you in refining your solution, and it happens over a few days. However, here in Cell we have created an express version of the actual course so that those of you who want to have a little taste at first of the actual program can follow this course. The NX Express version of NXplorers consists of 3 tools only and happens over 3 to 4 hours session.